Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn off comments on your YouTube video. What you need to do. But before that, if you find this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel and give a like. Okay, how to turn off comments on your YouTube video. First, just go to YouTube and then click in your profile icon. After that, click YouTube Studio. And then go to content and then just select the video that you want to turn off comments. Okay, if for example this one, just click on details and then just scroll down and you see here comments and ratings. Choose if and how you want to show comments. I already have here on. Just click on it and after that click off and then click save. This is what you need to do if you want to know how to turn off comments on your YouTube video. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.